Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. It is Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am here. I'm sitting in front of Rite. I'm so comfortable. I don't feel like getting out, but I know I have to get out to do this video for you guys, and this video is amazing, guys. You know how much I love my laundry deals, and this is going to be an incredible laundry deal that everyone's going to want to run out and do. And you must have the spend 60 get $15 back in bonus cash coupon in order for this to work. And you can get that coupon from either the insert that was mailed out to you, from the email, from the website, or even from the app. So there's 4 different resources for you to get the coupon, but make sure you get the coupon in order to do this deal, because that is what's going to make the deal the fantastic deal that it is. That's going to be the topper, the cake topper, the icing on the cake, however you want to put it. But you're also going to need your P&G inserts that came out today, because we're going to need to get those laundry coupons out of there. And you might want to take some notes or get your cameras, or your phones out to do some screenshots. So guys, let's go in and let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so I'm here in the store and we're getting ready to go over the deal. But before I go over the deal, I do want to say that I don't own the rights to this music. So if you hear the music in the background, I don't own the rights to it. I don't want to get my video flashed. But the other thing I want to say is that guys, this deal that I'm about to show you, I didn't come up with this. I actually got this deal from my coupon fairy, Amy. She sometimes comes up with some fantastic deals, and I was able to copy this deal from her. So I just want to make sure that I'm giving Amy Folwell the credit for this deal, because it is not a Nicole is making it happen brainstormer. It's the deal that she came up with and she shared it with me, and I wanted to share it with you guys because it's so fabulous. But Amy is my coupon fairy, so if you guys are ever in need of coupons or inserts, I can always hook you guys up with her. And we're actually going to team up and start doing videos so you guys can actually see the coupons that are coming out, and you can decide if you want to buy the newspapers or you want to buy the coupons in bulk so that you can get even more savings. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscription button and the bell next to it. That way you'll get notified every time I put up a new video. And please comment. Let me know if you like this deal, if you plan on doing this deal, if you've already done this deal, or just to say hi. And don't forget to give the videos a thumbs up. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to turn the camera around because we're going to get started with this deal. So what this deal is we're going to get $60 worth of laundry detergent, because we're going to use the coupon spend 60 and get $15 back in bonus cash. But we're also going to combine that deal with the P&G deal that's out today, because we all know that the P&G inserts came out today, or yesterday rather. I keep getting my days mixed up. I keep thinking it's Sunday since the holiday was yesterday. I mean, since the holidays today, I'm all screwed up. But here with the P&G deal, if you spend $30 on various products, you get $10 back in bonus cash. And you can actually do this deal twice. So we're going to end up doing this deal twice, and we're going to get the $20 back in bonus cash for the laundry detergent. But then we're also going to get $15 bonus cash back from the coupons. So that's going to be a total of $35 in bonus cash we get back. Guys, we're going to end up getting 11 things of Tide. And guess what? They're all going to be free. Yes, free. So what I'm going to do, the Tide that you want to grab is the ones that are $5.49. Now, some of them are the 46 ounce, and I guess they're all the 46 ounce. Okay, so that makes it even better. So I'm going to grab the Tide with Oxy. You're going to actually grab 7 of these liquid Tides. Okay, so I'm going to grab 4 of the Oxy, and I'm going to grab 3 of the Tide with Febreze. I haven't tried this one yet, but I'm going to try this one today. Okay, so we're going to have 7 of those liquid Tides. They are regularly $9.99 a piece, but they are on promotion today for $5.94. And then we're going to use 7 of the coupons that came out in your P&G insert for $3 off. Okay, now guys, you might say, how are you going to use 7 of the same coupon at Rite Aid? At Rite Aid, that is the limit. You can use 7 of the same coupon at Rite Aid. So that's what we're going to use. We're going to use 7 of these, okay? And then we're going to pick up 4 of the Tide Pods. The Tide Pods are also $5.94. So I'm going to grab 4 of those. And I usually try to get the ones that have the 20 count instead of like the 16 count. So I'm going to grab, oh, they only have 1 of these. So I'm going to grab 1 of these. And then I'm going to grab 3 of these. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, I dropped the camera. I'm so clumsy. So graceful. Okay, so. And I dropped the Tide on the floor. Okay, so we have our 4 Tide Pods, and we're going to use 4 of these coupons, the $2 off. So we're going to have a total of 11 coupons. So the other thing that we're going to use besides the coupons and besides the spend $60, get $15 back in bonus cash, we're going to use the 5 off 20 coupon. Now, I do have a video link in that coupon. It is good until today and today only. So if you're going to do this deal, run out and do it today because the coupon expires today. If you don't have the coupon, that's fine. Just take a screenshot of this and then you could just show your phone to the cashier, and that way you could take advantage of it. Okay, so I'm going to use my 11 Tide coupons. I'm going to use the 5 off 20, and I'm going to use the spend 60, get 15 back in extra bucks. So I'm going to head up to the register, ring it all out. When I get in the car, I will show you guys exactly how we made out. Okay guys, so I'm back in the car, so I want to go over my receipt with you. So here you can see I got all those Tides. Each one was $5.94. You can see the $3 coupons came off for the liquids. And then I got the Tide Pods, which came down to $5.83 because that was the better price with my 20% off because of my gold. If you're not a gold member, then it'd be $5.94. And then you can see each of my $2 coupons came off of that. And then I use the $5 wellness coupon. And like I said, that coupon does expire tonight at midnight. So my total was $30.90. You guys know we don't discuss taxes. So $30.90 was the total. If you do not use the wellness coupon and say you go on Tuesday or later, then your total will be $35.90. And then you can see that I earned $35 back in bonus cash. So I got $15 back for using the coupon, the spend 60, get 15 in bonus cash. And then I got $10 for each of the Procter & Gamble deals that I did. And you know, I did that deal twice. So down here you will see it says wellness bonus cash rewarded for the website barcode. That's what I used. And then it says wellness bonus cash rewarded for Procter & Gamble. And then it says the same thing again. So that's where I get the $35 in bonus cash. And you can see that you can only use each of the barcodes for the spend 60, get 15 one time. So the one from the circular I used yesterday, and then the one from the website I used today. So you can see I can only use those once. And then the next one I can use is the email, and then the one off the website. And then you can see that I reached the limit of 2 for the Procter & Gamble. So guys, I got 11 things of detergent for free. You can do the same deal. If you don't, I paid, as you can see, I paid for mine with my wellness bucks. You don't need to have wellness bucks to get this for free, because if you pay in cash, the $30.90 is still free for you, because you're going to get back $35 in bonus rewards, and you're going to use those over and over and over again. You're just going to keep recycling those bonus rewards. That's what I do, and that is the key to saving at Rite Aid. It's just recycling your bonus cash over and over and over again, just like you recycle your extra bucks from CVS over and over again. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you go out and get your free Tide. And please let me know if you did the deal and how it worked out for you. And guys, as always, I thank you so much for tuning into my channel. And I will be back with some great CVS deals and Walmart deals for you also. And until the next time, keep on saving.